Cube Gaming is here for Clash of Clans. Okay guys, the Clash of Clans is update now. And look the icon. It's a barbarian. Yo, barbarian. You know Hog, Rider, Wizard, and Barbarian. He go to the water and chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and chapter 5 in the trailer. And this, yo, cool. Yeah, both. Oh, cool. Cool. Oh, gems. Yo, shit. I can wait. Play now. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. Triple mortar and double cannon. Shit, and the builder is holding the fucking, what is this? Yeah, let's go. Let's this shit. I can't wait. Play. Let's go, guys. So I am a Filipino guy, so I can Tagalog say tara laro tayo. Let's play that tara laro game. Let's go. Oh shit. Ship our boat and you are ready to set sail. Okay, let's shit this. Oh, what the fuck this? And three girls and wow shit. Don't worry about getting lost. We remember the way back. Okay. Okay, click the boat and reveal. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Shit. Layo guys, ang layo, dumidilim. Holy shit. So night. Oh fuck. So guys, dalawang tanhole. Guys, dalawang tanhole. Sorry guys for no sound in the Clash of Clans. Sorry guys. Let's back. Dalawang tanhole guys. Look. What is this strange place? We're in lucky. Ano to? If we can fix up those old buildings for shelter. Let's go. What the fuck? Builder. Holy shit, this is the builder. Sorry guys, nabubulol ako. Patangin na builder. Hole. So, na-upgrade ang builder. Hole. Oh, let's go. Shit, I know have money. Holy shit. Yeah, what the heck? Oh, what this? Mini army. Oh, what? Zzz. What the shit? Hey. Oh, visitor. Oh, where did you come from? My place you completely cleaned it. You totally earned yourself a turn. So this shit, okay. What's this? The night witch in the what the fuck? Clash Royale night witch. Holy shit. Let's see. This is a barbarian. Holy shit. This is not a barbarian. This is a lumberjack, I think. And gonna unlock special ability range. Holy shit. The fuck. Yan kay. Kastusin ko na gem ko. We need troops to see who's the best builder around up. Okay, let's go. Using troops. Shape your skills. Ano to? Night come in handy here. Okay guys, let's go. Attack. What the fuck? Attack. And what a shit. I can wait attack. And let's go. Let's go, guys. Holy shit. Ah. Holy shit. And oh my god. This is cool. Okay, let's go. Okay. Atake. Okay. Agto. Like Encantadia. Say Agto. Holy shit. That's gem collector. What the fuck? Yeah. Gonna win. I'm gonna win. Alright, we're gonna win. Yeah. First win in the second village. Holy shit. Second base, you know. Master G. Oh, the order. The clan order. We gonna mabuhay siya po. Oh no, they are attacking us too. What? Gana. Shit, victory din. Oh, 2 stars sila guys. 2 star. You did the best attack. We got lot as a prize. Anak na. Ingay. Video ko eh. Sorry, I have 50 many ideas of things to build. Just look at my wish list. Holy shit. Okay, I always have add-ins here, but you really know your stuff. You should choose. Okay. Okay, awesome. We are a team now. Maybe I can even visit your home someday. And it seems there is plenty to do here. Let's be sure to look up after our village too. Yeah, what's up? And don't salita na. I'm gonna video. Let's go. Sorry. Yeah. Let's look the news. Holy shit. There's a whole set sail from a new world. Okay guys, this is the new world. Find out more. This is a whole new buildings, tricks and shores. Okay guys, bend more. Now let's go guys. Oops, what's this? Oh, okay, new achievements, builder base achievements. Okay, wait, what's that? What? Builder base. Oh, this is the home village. So cool. Oh, so amazing view. And this shit. Wait, what is this shit? Gem mine. Oh no, what's that shit? Oops, what's this? A clock tower. Oh shit, I don't have money yet. And what is this? Is this battle machine? Holy shit. And what's this? Old barbarian statue. Huh, so cool. What's this? Okay. So so cool that, yo. And BRB. So talo sila sa clan. So what's this? Find now. Oh shit, Archer Queen statue. Holy shit. New item. What the fuck? New item. Guardian post. Ay, grand post. Oh shit. Grand post. Roster. Mega Tesla. Holy shit. Giant cannon. Multi mortar. Mega mine. Air bombs. Holy shit. Spring trap. Mine. Ito. So shit. Double cannon. One moves. Pixel storage. Okay. Go to the battle now. Let's go, guys. Okay. Oh, Chinese ang kalaban ko, guys. Chinese. So, 3 girls. So, sleeping. Oh shit, no, that not 3 girls, more girls. Yo, let's attack this shit. Guys, iba po yung hawak nila. Itak na po, guys. Itak na. Axe, like a axe. Not a sword. Hindi na espada, guys. Axe na, guys. Axe. Like lumberjack in the Clash Royale. So, guys, pag napabaksak ang isang build, nagaano, guys, dumidilim like that. Yan na. Pang nasira, ayun po, guys, dumidilim. So cool. Yeah. Gonna 3-star. So 3-star na din, 3-star na din ako, guys. Guys, preset na update na yan. Ha. Oh shit. Low. So let's go. Attack. Okay, guys, gonna 3-star again. He got a 3-star to me. Shit. So, ang hirap mo, guys. Ang hirap. So, oh shit. I know, guys. I know. Let's go to build another. Let's go. You know what I'm taking. Let's go, guys. Another battle again. Let's go, attack. Oh shit, they gonna die one again. Cool sounds. So we gonna 15 minutes recording video. Yes. Let's see who did in my base now. Let's see, guys. Yes, I'm gonna victory. I told you guys. I'm gonna video. Look. Yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3. I told you the wall. Yeah, gonna. Yeah. I told you guys. Let's play again. Okay guys, makakompleto na natin again. Holy shit. Kinain niya yung base ko. Shit, kinain niya nga yung base ko, guys. Sorry. Holy shit. Batay another. Shit, kinain niya nga base ko, guys. I told you guys, kinain niya yung base ko. I told you. Shit. Yes, she did. But then, you know. Oh, cool. Holy shit, what's this? Cannon card. Oh, wow. Night Witch. I told you this is a Night Witch. And what is this? Boxer Giant. Oh, cool Giant. What is this? Ranged Barbarian. Cool. Snake.
Maganda si Petson.
Archer. Wow, cool. Oh.
Si Petson.
Shh. I'm gonna video yun. Don't maingay. Don't noisy. Ngayon may ano yung video ko no? Vitamin yan. Amber. Baby Dragon. Oh, what this? Drop shit. What's this? And Super Pekka. Let's go. Gonna battle now. What? Yes, guys. We gonna raid. Yes. Buti di nakaharang yung wall niya, guys. Galing talaga. Ang tatalino talaga ng mga Pinoy, you know. Tatalino talaga namin maglagay ng mag-isip kung paano hindi makapasok ang mga barbarians. Shit. Panis na naman kayo, no, guys? No? Ha? Kaya ngayon, kasi na may mga Clash of Clans ngayon dyan, diyain nyo na ang malupit kong panis kayo na naman, guys. Yeah, gonna 3-star. Yippee! Yippee! Look them. Look her to attack me. Holy shit. What? Destroyed? How? Gonna 15. What? What's happened? What's happened? 75 destroyed? What? Oh, I know, guys. I know. I know, guys. I know. I know, guys. I know, guys. I know. You what did. So, guys. Oh, he did. Like that. Let's go, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, let's go, let's go. Holy shit. You can gonna trap me. Shit. Gonna get trap me. Fuck you. And battle, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry guys, I don't I don't have a cam. You can't see my face, again. So soon you gonna see me. Agro Gaming. Let's my attack. I'm gonna 3-star again. Let's see. What? What the hell? Again? Seriously? How? I know guys, I know. Yeah. I know guys, I know. Yan. Yan guys, so subukan natin yan. Kailangan natin makuha yung isang axe. Wins 3 daw wins 3. Yun, gonna no traps. Spring traps. Yes, I'm gonna victory this game. Gonna victory this game. He built the guys, army. Cool ba? Let's see guys, let's see. Ilang try na kaya to guys? I don't know. Yes, gonna victory. I told you 15. Let's see and look. I told you. I told you guys. I told you. Ubus yung barbarian niya. Ubus yung barbarian niya guys. I told you. Ubus yung barbarian niya. I told you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have money. No money. I'm gonna build this shit. And then I don't like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. What? Let's build this shit. Wait, don't build. Let's attack again. So, ginaya niya yung base ko, guys. Hindi ko matitira yung cannon niya. Kasi nga, kapormado, guys. Shit. I told you. Ah, fuck. Why? What? I got a victory! What? So cool. 49 and 29%. Yes! Holy shit. And okay, got a 32,000 coins. Let's build this shit. Yeah! Yeah! What? Build the following buildings to unlock the builder level. And what? What the heck? Okay, new push up. Okay guys, in the war bootstrap build this shit. So builder barracks. Wall, army camp, archer tower. What? So, wait lang guys, pupunta muna ako sa sa ano namin, sa village. So, kailangan na ako sa war. So, what is new? No new in here, okay. In here, okay. No new here, okay. In here, no new. So, let's see in the war. Okay, pro attacker. Sumusugod na po siya, guys. This is my attack. Okay. Let's see the first attack. Oh, MVP 01 can beat her mirror. And look. Tingnan natin yung kay pro attack. Sorry guys, nahirapan na mag-English shit. So let's see my word again. Award. Achievements again. So pupunta muna ako doon sa aking sec. Ang port account is Agub Creating. So mali po yung aking spelling, no? So babaguhin po natin yon. Ngayon in the my video Clash of Clans gameplay 1. So okay guys, mag 30 minutes na po tayo. Kailangan ko na po agad magpaalam. So see you next time for Clash of Clans gameplay 2. So guys, and I hope you like my first video in the village. So again here free vote. Okay, so di ko muna po yan. Din muna po kasi isang hirapan po ako guys eh. So next time na lang po yan, no? Din tayo sa isa. Okay, tingnan muna natin guys. Free vote. Okay guys. Okay. Pumunta po yung tatlo. So, let's tayo ulit. Pero di ko na po yan lalaruin. Babalik ulit ako sa aking ngayon ko lang po guys. So, okay. Alam ko na ang iyong nais. Let's build this shit. So, okay. So, make this faster. End ko na po yung video. Okay. Okay. Let's build this. Okay. Let's attack. So make him faster, Master Jimmy. The order. So okay guys, we're gonna victory. Okay guys. Ano ba again? So 3 minutes again. Okay guys, I hope you like my first video and see you next day and peace out guys.